Okay, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So this video is highly requested. I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows, how I dye my eyebrows black, just so I don't have to fill them in, or just so it can be less work when I wake up, get ready for work on a daily basis. I'm a mom, so this is definitely going to help save me some time. The actual hair dye that I use is this. It's like $2.94 at Walmart. You might find it for $3 in Dollar General. It's this Revlon Color Silk hair dye. I use number 10 in deepest black. Well, black. I'm also using my angled eyeliner brush, and it has a spoolie on the end. And I recommend that you guys get some Vaseline just to trace the outside of your eyebrows to make sure that the hair dye doesn't stick on anything other than your brows. And you're going to need a baby wipe just to simply wipe it off, okay? So let's get started. So I'm going to take this grease and just outline my eyebrows like that, okay? And I'm gonna do both of them. Just above your brow. You don't want to get it on your brow. And if you do, just go ahead and wipe that away. You guys already know how it goes. You just mix this hair dye as if I got on white pants. This probably is not a good idea. And I'm trying to do this as fast as possible because my camera is dying and I can't find the charger. So I'm just mixing this together. Then you want to go ahead and shake that up just like how you guys would, you know, dye your hair. Okay, so I had to get a little closer for you guys. Now I'm just gonna literally just start. Take this and do it as if I'm filling in my brows, okay? Then when I get to the front, I do it upwards so that it looks like fine hair. And then I just pack it on like that. Okay? So all you have to do from here is wait about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and then you want to wipe it away with the baby wipe. So I'm going to go do my other eye off camera, and I'm going to come right back. And I don't have my tripod, guys, so I have to hold this. So basically you just want to see that it's actually turning darker. That's because the dye is actually activating. You just want to draw fine like hairs towards the front, okay? And it's gonna look crazy up front, trust me, it's gonna look crazy, but you guys just trust the process, okay? Okay, so we've got both brows on right now, and like I said, we're gonna wait about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes before we wipe this off. This is really simple, really easy, guys. I wish I had my tripod so I could have made this a little bit more detailed for you guys, or even applied it a little better for you guys, but this is what it's gonna look like while it's setting, while it's dyeing your brows. And yeah, just give it about 10-15 minutes, then I'm going to show you guys how to wipe this off. Super easy. So basically you just want to take a baby wipe, just take something to be able just to wipe this off. So I'm going to be using these exfoliating slices from Clean and Clear. It's for your skin, but I'm going to be using these little wipes to wipe this off. So let me show you guys. So you literally just see? Ooh! Kill them. And then just go ahead and wipe off the grease. That came out surprisingly really good, okay? So I'm just gonna Take another slice. I'm looking in the mirror, so just hold it and wipe. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning up at the front. Clean that grease. Okay, so that's how easy it is, you guys. You literally draw it on as if you're drawing on your brows, and they come out really, really nice, you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys do try it on Instagram. Tag me on Instagram, you guys, letting me know that you guys tried this. My Instagram is realchelseaj, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh, and a lot of you guys have been asking about a room tour. I'm gonna get that room tour video up for you. I just got a lot of sorting to do in my room, so I didn't forget about you guys. You guys will be seeing a room tour soon. So say see ya. Say see ya. Say bye bye.